I am Elder Osmond Amponsan Esiama, Children Ministries Director in the Diamondfield Ghana Conference. The program was put together by the Children Ministries in collaboration with the Youth Department and the Personal Ministries. The aim was to put up a training workshop to train children in evangelism under the theme, I will go tell everyone about Jesus. Our vision was to equip the children in mission and service. And the program started from 28th April to 1st May at campsite Ahojo Gardens in Batabi of the Eastern region.
The Children Ministry in collaboration with the Youth Department. Last year, we decided to train the Children Ministry coordinators. And then this year, we decided to organize this workshop for the children in line with the I Will Go program.
Registering about 175 young children like this to train them for the future of the church, I think it's a laudable idea and it's a nice program, which, of course, I wish it will be replicated every year or two so that we get more youth into the ministry.
Mose first yefa wea ejina oma ye nananom a wo bewu je yen meboa but yen nko ne sa se yefa wea red ne kire se Kristo obewu je yen wasendua no so se mati ase nti ubepen quotation aye red no ubepen quotation
mofra mienu awofra no nyokita card no obe demonstrate say bia okokrom na wahia ne nua na obeka Yesu ho nkwaje asem e de a kire no using these colors bam chonti ase wo aha enti yen che ye mani musa no mo so mo be kire ye
so hwe kala ye am prayer oh jana mo hwe wo the sound mo sky and what the okay oya de pa go no iti sierra o hwe blue ye dan o pa say what are yes Kristo e ba asasi obe kasachire say yes san fi e won na say se fi e won ko ani are na boss okay iti sierra Acts chapter 2 verse 38 here Acts chapter 2 verse 38 e ma Peter e wo issue okachire o ma na o wo o chen say mo sisan e fi won na me o ra na mo o si ta o ja o ba na mo ko
na ora o share kasia then na ese kalawa
plant
ampa abotini the plant sanity
plant a green it's meaning
any sign
any from
ora menas na sa from here make o kasia me ba be kasa fa Kristo mu dia na asana ubenya o Kristo no I was say open mu ka obone obon pa cheno na de obone chom na de bo on obone chom bia ubeba benya ubenya ma atamfo no hwini ho a obetima ye afa na asana obenya I was say obon pa ye okwa sorry okai travel na hu adiki ora was around to the mechanism
Bachemetiasi
so mo creative model na access sculpture na I don't get friend origami and here a friend carigami because you cut people and I say you cut it near add something different to it it's called carigami and so I'm translating from Japan about normal English model Omojitu say if it's a small cut that we will apply on the paper now, you get to your friend origami. To the evaluation and the friend origami. Small rectangle now, okay, in craft work, we don't throw things away just like that. We keep it for another assignment or task.
We were expecting participants of about 130, but surprisingly, we've been able to organize this workshop for 180 participants.
Don't forget that it is the children who are going to grow. Now, some are adventurers, some are pathfinders, and some are even guides. So it is the children that we are training them. They are, by 1 or 2 years, they are going to take in charge of the youth ministry. So we need to train them. We are catching them young.
The Children Ministry thank the Almighty Father for bringing us this far in this program. We came with the team Children in Evangelism, and we've learned a lot. We've learned how to make a sermon and preach it to others. We've also learned how to bring our friends and neighbors into our church.
We came here on Friday, the 28th of April, 2023. We've been learning a lot of things, how to prepare a sermon, how to talk to others about Jesus Christ, and how to draw many people into the church. We've been doing lots of activities like origami work and also how to make invitations for other people to join your church. We learned how to make a fundraiser and a whole lot of things.
Na omubo na odawa moja tunun sofo bibetwem ohunu na say wine papa nti abuni say share time no say time cry akoma me nkwa sorry no jani wono koye no bia osu kosiesi asori so betwem odo no say nti wine papa ni abuni say no no so any time no see my men when I'm in questions or sorry them no journey walk Anna or being so I no there no quite sorry or no be no or shall no see Anna wine benny abuni say or see no fine tone poncos I didn't require resabia man share Pam cho story never story bang.
On behalf of the conference, I want to express my sincere thanks to the organizers, the director, and then coordinators who has been assisting the youth leaders who were here to support the director, and then the children ministry also. And again, we have the personal ministries leaders from our various districts who are here all assisting the program. So on behalf of the conference, I say Ayiko to all of them.
We are looking forward that as we are going to our various districts, the leadership of the church at the local churches and then the district will promote and empower the children so that the children evangelism team we have formed will be able to continue with the focus of the program, which is equipping children for evangelism. I will go tell everyone about Jesus.
Rachel Child.